Do you want to hide certain friends on Snapchat? Well, there is no direct option, but we're going to show you a few simple tricks and workarounds to do that without removing or deleting them. So first, let's go to the conversation or chat section. If you press and hold on their chat thread and then go to chats and notification settings, from there you can set chats to delete right after viewing so no one gets a chance to read them. Now after that, you can go back to the notification settings and you can mute chats and then set to until I unmute them. And do the same for phone calls as well. Certain notifications are hidden, especially when you're in public. If you want to quickly hide the entire conversation all at once, just tap and hold on it, the chat and notification settings, and then you can hit clear from chat feed option. And then hit clear, and the entire conversation will be hidden from here and will remain hidden unless they or you text each other. But the last trick I promised to hide someone in plain sight is to just go to their profile, tap on these three dots, choose Manage Friendship, and then tap on Edit Name. You can change their name to literally anything except their original display name, and then hit Save. Doesn't matter wherever they appear on your friend list or anywhere on your profile or in the chats, you will see the edited name instead of their original one. And these are some smart tricks to hide your friends on Snapchat. Thanks for your time.